end of the event. Hello, how are you? Good morning. I just woke up right now and oh my god, the मजे की नींद हुई है मेरी. I'm so happy. I think I needed this, but of course I needed it. हाय लेकिन मज़ा आ गया. I feel such satisfaction right now. खैर मैंने अभी अपना खाना मंगवाया है, नाश्ता मंगवाया है. Although I have to go to a brunch right now, but of course I won't be eating over there. So it's better that मैं घर से खा के जाऊँ. So मैंने अभी अपना नाश्ता मंगाया है. I'll go freshen up, I'll change my clothes and then I'll go. So I'll catch up with you then. Okay. Bye. And the worst part is that Lahore just does not like me. Look, I randomly have whiteheads on my skin. So remember the part जहाँ पर I overpacked, actually underpacked my bag. तो उसका थोड़ा सा फ़ायदा हुआ है. If I think about it, you know why? Because I got quite a huge giveaway yesterday from Vegas and this has a lot of things. और अगर मैं छोटा वाला बैग लेके आती, I would have definitely not been able to keep these things. So good for me, yay! And you know what? Oh my god, you know what? Everything in the world जो मैंने pack किया, I forgot to pack. Did you see what I forgot to pack? I forgot to pack lip balm. And now this is just Sahara Desert. Okay, that's a call for my food. Priorities, I have them straight, okay? So I'm actually meeting Aisha and Suhail from university aaj, and Dania as well. Dania, Murtaza, I think Manur also, I'm not sure. Dekhenge. And then my cousin Sana is also here, so I will also be meeting her. It's quite a long day today, that's for a fact. Quite a long day. But I know I will tell Dania to bring me lip balm because I need it. And she's good enough to bring it for me. Let me just call her and tell her, मुझ गरीब के लिए lip balm ला. So here is my food for the entire day. Time to put all of this in the fridge, except this because this will be my coffee. This is my dinner, that's my lunch, my snack and another coffee. I'm going to set all of this in the fridge now. And now I am all ready to go and meet Dania, which already is here honestly. This thing is here, you can see it. Hello! And now we're going. आज का पूरा दिन, oh let's go. इतनी मुश्किल से तो आई थी. Say salam to my friend. This is my Lahore. Lahore is incomplete without this one. So yeah, ready to go and meet some other people as well. The most unrealistic thing for Lahore, इस तरह की crazy हवा. I think it's about to rain or something, for sure, because this is not like Lahore usually. But शुक्र है जो मैं उस बर्फ के डब्बे से बाहर आई हूँ. And now I can finally feel the heat. Believe it or not, I needed it. So here we are, and that is my date number 1. My date number 2, इसकी date अभी आनी रह गई है. The thing that I didn't know वो ये था कि dine-in is closed on weekends. But Nishad saved our lives because it's open for us over here. So this is where we're chilling today. Never happens with me. And that's my day that I finally get to dine out. I'm having this grilled salmon, but like this. Couldn't it look pretty? Just a little pretty. This. And now I will show you guys who's coming in. This one. Hello. ये तो यहीं पे मैडम है. ये अपनी शक्ल छुपा रहे. क्यों दिखाओ ना मैं अपनी clean shave. Oh my god! Okay, so now finally Murtaza and Dania have left, but I have one more person to make you guys meet just in a minute. There she is! Hi Sana!
How are you?
I'm good.
Come give me a hug.
Yay! I missed you!
So much.
I missed you more and you look so pretty.
Thank you.
Like always.
I dressed up for you.
Thank you, so did I though. Am I good enough for you? Abhi?
You're always good enough for me.
Thank you. Because it's weekend, obviously सारी जगहें बंद हैं. But guess what? We're here at the brasserie to pick up some yummy food. And keto food for me too. And there we have our checked and sealed food. Let's see please. I really want to have some yummy keto food.
Want me to take that?
Okay, yeah. Let's see क्या है.
So that's your chocolate chip cookie.
Oh my god, I desert it. I desert it, Kerry. I deserve it, okay?
Your chocolate mousse.
Oh my god, that's a lot of dessert. But I deserve it, okay? I do, come on. You guys know that.
That is your
Barbecue pizza. And this is not only for me, this is for her also, ठीक है? ये मैडम जो निकाल रही है इनके लिए भी है. Yes. Oh!
Got to it.
Gira?
There? नहीं बच गया.
Okay. And that is the stuffed chicken. Right there. Sara khana looks so nice. I'm glad they actually deliver keto food, yaar. Everyone on keto misses having some nice food, but here we have it. The brasserie right there.
बहुत feminist है.
यहाँ पे full party चल रही है. Everyone is here. Midnight almost party scenes.
ये क्या हुआ है?
This is
Look at this.
lotus cake.
Oof, it's lotus cake. I love lotus cake.
तुम
You guys can have it. हाँ मैं नहीं खा सकती sadly. You remember these two, by the way? Khubaib and Kisra, the ones that you saw the vlogs on. They got married, remember? Yeah. ये वही दो हैं. ये यहाँ पे खा रहे, मैं नहीं खा सकती. Hello. I wake up in such a mood every day that I can't even tell you. I mean, all of this and all of this, it doesn't matter. I just wake up in such a good mood every day these days कि मैं नहीं बता सकती. Like, God has changed my mood. This vacation has changed my mood. I am just so happy, mashallah. I am so happy. I feel happy. Mashallah bolna, okay? It's after really long. And mashallah is important. But I feel happy. So basically, the air conditioning in here is literally like मेरे घर का deep freezer. सही है, मतलब यहाँ पे रान जम सकती है. I'm not even kidding. वही वाली जिससे वो क्या नाम था हसीना दिलरुबा ने जिसको मारा था ठड़क करके, like that. Yes. If you get the reference, you get it. If you don't, you don't. But मैं इसको 30 करके सोई हूँ. 30 पे on fan speed number 1 पे. And do you know, I literally woke up like ठिठरते हुए कि भाई क्या हाल है ये? I want to sleep सकून से. Why are you so cold? और अभी भी it's so cold. It's just too cold. Why? So I was just having my breakfast and I was thinking कि अगले 2 दिन इतने jam packed in work हैं that I don't even know if I'll have time to vlog or not. Oh my god, you remember my list that said do not pack black clothes? I just realized कि मैंने event वाले दिन भी काले कपड़े पहने थे, कल भी मैंने काले कपड़े पहने थे और मैंने आज भी जो कपड़े निकाले वो तो पूरे ही काले हैं. So who's going to come here and help me? कोई हाल नहीं है मेरा. Like I said, black again, but I'm ready for today. Let's see आज क्या क्या होता है. I have to meet Sarosh today. And look at these beautiful earrings that Sana gifted me yesterday. They actually look so nice. आज कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं, just a plain black tee, my black bag, some grey jeans, along with, well, इधर से ही देख लो, along with these right here. And can you believe that I got these jeans in my size, which is 36, and now they're so damn loose on me. I don't even understand, although I'm so happy, but they're actually loose on me, like this loose. And this is the first time that I'm wearing them. All the tags, they were from Cracks. They're very comfortable. They're high-waisted and they're 36, but they don't fit me. And my size is 36. What's going on? I mean, not even kidding, but a 36 used to fit me perfectly. This one is loose. What is going on? I'm happy. Now, one thing that I don't get right now is to keep my hair open or to just close them in a pony, because it looked way better in a pony. I think I should just do the pony bit. I think that looked better. Let me show you. Now that is what it looks like with a ponytail. I think I like this better because I look all nice and collected. Let me show you guys the whole look. This is what the whole look looks like. I have worn grey jeans for the first time in forever. Then this tee. I was very conscious about my arms at first, but now I'm just like, let it be. And then this bag right here with new heels. And I think that the high pony gives it a really nice and sophisticated look, you know. Although, बिल्कुल भी cool नहीं है मैं. इतनी कोई हूँ मैं, बिल्कुल भी cool नहीं है. फिर भी, I like to look cool at times so that I can pull that off as well. You guys know I do pull that off pretty well. But reality तो आप लोगों को पता है. Cool नहीं है मैं, हो ही नहीं सकती. So. Oh my god, the weather is so nice today. ना मजेदार ठंडा ठंडा सा हुआ है. It's not like Lahore usually until it rains like crazy. But I hope बारिश हो जाए, बहुत मजा आएगा. But I heard कि आज कराची में भी बारिशें हो रही हैं. I hope DH डूब ना गया हो. I hope so. Here I am at the Coffee Bean and Tree Leaf with this one. Hello. Sure that you guys remember कि जब मैं खुबैब की शादी पे आई थी तो she was the one who did my makeup and made me look so bomb on one of the events. And तब भी हमारा reunion हुआ था. तो मैं लाहौर आई थी और हमारा reunion now, that's impossible.
What normal people drink
versus what I'm drinking. The poor me who does not even like what this is. Kauri coffee, Kauri Kali coffee. Now I'm here to meet the other lot at Cafe Lanto. These are the mahols right now. And these are the pende. This one is eating the carrot, licking it actually. This one was eating a something, yeah. And here is mine. So I'm finally back and today was such a long day. Oh my god. I met with so many people and now I'm so exhausted that I just want to sleep. So I'm just going to take this off, eat some food, enjoy my time a little bit and then just go to sleep. क्योंकि अब कल का दिन बहुत ही crazy busy निकलने वाला है. So yeah, I need some time off before that क्योंकि अब अगले 2 दिन are all about work. Hello, so I'm finally wearing white, although I'm going for a really long day, but I thought I'll just show you guys that I finally wore white and that also with white shoes, okay? बहुत black हो गया था. Finally, I can say that. These are the shoes that I paired this white top with. It's a very pretty flowy floral white top with blue jeans. That is how the whole look looks. I don't think you can see my shoes. Maybe now? Yeah. Now you can see my shoes. Well, yeah. Ready to go. Okay, so now here I am and let me introduce you to everyone that I'm with. That right there is Anam Bhabi. Hello. Hello. That is Sami Bhai. Hello, and Haj Bhai. Hello. That's Hamza. Long time no see on my vlogs. That's Sana and this is Maida Bhabi. Hello. Look at that salad. Everyone has ordered their own food and I'm just waiting for my own keto food to come. मैंने दिया इनको कि गरम करके ला के दें. थोड़ा सा वो करना पड़ा कि प्लीज ला दें. Please, you don't have a keto menu. तो अब देखते हैं कब आता है. सबको खाना तो आ गया. मेरे साथ क्यों डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है? I understand though, but फिर भी please man. Okay, so my food is also no less honestly. Looks good and it's rolls. You know I love rolls. Hello, how are you guys? You know what? Today is actually the 5th day since I'm in Lahore. लेकिन जो ये पिछले 2 दिन गुजरे, oh my god. I have been working on something really special. I will be sharing that with you guys pretty soon. But I did not get to vlog anything for these 2 days because I was so busy. Early mornings, late nights, that's how these 2 days went, to be very honest. And I'm just so exhausted. And although I had the best time in Lahore, I can't believe I'm saying this, लेकिन I'm actually glad to be going back home tomorrow क्योंकि ये जो अभी आखिरी 2 दिन गुजरे इसके बाद I need ample of rest. That's for a fact. तो बस अब मेरा बैग पैक होने वाला है. I'm going to go and pack this up. So to be honest, I wore makeup all these 5 days. Look at how bad my skin is reacting to all of this now. I didn't even bring so much skincare except for a face wash and a moisturizer. Lip balm tak मैं भूल गई थी. My friend Dania rescued me with the lip balm. I guess that you guys can actually hear how exhausted I am from these 2 days that I've spent, honestly. इससे पहले तो it was all fun and games, लेकिन right now I'm so exhausted that I just wanna not even pack my bag and just sleep. सुबह की सुबह देखी जाएगी वाला scene, but वो हो नहीं सकता. Now it's basically time to enjoy my last night in Lahore. Just go to sleep and then kal Karachi. Look at how pretty Lahore looks today. So nice. Hello. So just like the day that I came over here 5 days ago, usi tarah se bas now it's time for me to leave Lahore with so many good memories. I cannot even tell you guys. Yes, I've only slept for 2 hours, which is why this face and these red eyes, nothing else, I'll tell you. But yeah, just kidding. So अब बैग भी तैयार है, ठीक है, सब कुछ पैकिंग शैकिंग हो चुकी हुई है. आई एम मेकिंग श्योर कि मैंने हर जगह से हर चीज़ उठा ली है, बिकॉज लास्ट मोमेंट पे याद आता है कुछ ना कुछ कि ओ माई गॉड आई डिडंट एम्प्टी दिस और आई डिडंट एम्प्टी दैट. आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट डोंट वांट दैट टू बी द केस. बैग भी तैयार है, वॉशरूम भी चेक हो चुका है, सब हो चुका है. होप आई एम नॉट फॉरगेटिंग एनीथिंग ओवर हियर. आई जस्ट होप सो. वालेकुम सलाम. जी जी प्लीज प्लीज. ये लगेज है और रूम आप चेक कर लें. दैट्स द लगेज. होप आई एम नॉट फॉरगेटिंग एनीथिंग. ओह आई एम. Like every time I'm forgetting my key card. ये बार बार हुआ है. मैं literally एक दफ़ा तो अपना की कार्ड भूल गई and then I had to get another one made. मैं पक्का कुछ नहीं भूल रही ना. I hope so. Bye Lahore. Actually bye bye Nishad. That means I have a little bit of time to just grab a bite, but a bite only, probably some eggs or something, and then I have to run. And I'm ready to leave. I'm excited, but I'm a little sad as well this time. And let's see. Oh my god, we have a breakfast buffet right here. Nice. Check out what we have on the buffet. We have French toast and pancakes. Then we have hash browns and sausages. I know कि मैं ये खा सकती हूँ, इसलिए मैं ये खाऊंगी. Then we have egg fried rice. That's Szechuan chicken. Oh, that's some really yummy creamy chicken. Ooh, I love that. Chicken keema ufala to सूंघने भी नहीं चाहिए मुझे खाने. Then there's aloo bhujia, some chana masala. Yum. Hi, क्या torture है ये हलवा पूरी. And then naan paratha. This is what I can have. Boiled anda, the blandest out of all, with the hard shells also. That's how sad my life is. Anyway, what's next? What is this? Nothing. And what is this? Hot porridge? Ugh, I don't like porridge. Sorry to people who love porridge. And that is grilled tomato right there. A lot of buttery options with croissants. So many of them. Oh my god, this looks delicious. Especially these donuts. Yum. I mean, wow. And that fruit platter, definitely worth dying for. Not worth breaking keto for. Here we have some other goodies. Goodies that I don't even want to look at because I can't have them. So, check them out. Okay, it's time for me to go, okay? Bye! So, let me show you guys what I planned for breakfast. I got these sausages and 2 boiled eggs, some water. And now I'm just gonna have this quickly. मत देखो यार, after having so many things on the menu, you saw my nashta, right? That's how the situation is right now. लेकिन क्या करें? I'm happy with it for the first time, पता है? Because this is actually the first time जब मैंने अपने vacation की वजह से अपनी diet नहीं तोड़ी. And that is so amazing. I'm actually proud of myself for that. Now it's time for me to leave for the airport and say bye-bye to Lahore and bye-bye to Nishad. You know what? I have a lot to talk about regarding this trip. क्योंकि इस एक ट्रिप ने मुझे इतनी सारी चीज़ें realize करवाई हैं that I can't even tell you guys. First thing first, this was definitely the break that I needed. The break that I was craving for. Because जैसे मैं यहाँ आई हूँ and I got to gel in this environment, थोड़ा change हुआ है हवा पानी हर चीज़ का. I haven't felt better, to be honest. I feel great. दूसरी चीज़, gratefulness. I was not being that grateful for everything in my life when I was in Karachi because you know माहौल थोड़े से हो गए थे. But then when I came here, I got this opportunity to like work out of the city, just get out like this. It just made me feel so grateful to Allah Ta'ala because who doesn't work hard? Let's be honest. Who doesn't work hard? लेकिन Allah Ta'ala blesses us in ways that we can't even thank Him enough. और तीसरी चीज़ कि जितना मुझे मज़ा आया ना on feeling that single independent work lady वाली vibe, that was the best. It was totally worth it. It was totally worth every single thing. And पता है क्या, मैं इसलिए सारी लड़कियों को कहती हूँ कि यार उठो, निकलो, काम करो, अपने आप को किसी चीज़ के काबिल बनाओ. Because at the end of the day, when you get to experience such things in your life, not शादी वादी and all that, okay? Like अपनी identity, अपना काम, when you get to experience your own potential, nothing is greater than that for a woman, at least for a woman in our desi societies. Because पता ही है हमें कि यहाँ पर we're only described or defined as somebody's daughter or somebody's wife, and पूरी ज़िंदगी उसी तरह से life चलती है. It's never any different. But that feeling मैं डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकती कि I knew I was on a work trip. मैं पहले भी जा चुकी हुई हूँ on another work trip to Dubai, and that was also just so overwhelming, so exhilarating कि यार शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, it's amazing. So basically इसी वजह से मैं कहती हूँ कि girls, focus on your studies so that you can build your career eventually, because this is very important. अपनी सलाहियत से कुछ हासिल करने की जो खुशी होती है, being a girl, being a woman, वो आपको कोई और नहीं महसूस करा सकता. हाँ, आई नो कि आपको कोई ना कोई चीज़ें ला के दे सकता है, इस तरह के ट्रिप्स भी करवा सकता है, लेकिन यू कैन नॉट रियली फील व्हाट दिस इज़ until you don't do it for yourself, which is why I always tell you guys to get out there, make your own identity, work, make yourself extremely available for yourself, independent, live your life यार, enjoy the world. टॉक खत्म हुई जा रही है, ठीक है. अब मैं सुकून से अपनी ड्राइव इंजॉय करूंगी, बिकॉज मौसम बड़ा मजे का है. आई रियली लाइक इट. एंड अब बाकी सारी अपडेट्स आई एम श्योर विल बी द म्यूजिकल गोइंग बैक टू कराची एयरपोर्ट सिनेरियो अपडेट्स. सो बाय बाय. वी आर ऑलमोस्ट एट द एयरपोर्ट एज यू कैन सी. बालों की हालत से you can tell that the flight was not so good. वो डिटेल्स किसी और दिन के लिए. I'm back. अब बाकी स्टोरीज मैं सुनाऊंगी बाद में, ठीक है. Now it's time to go home. So bye and catch you guys in the next vlog.